World Migratory Bird Day has a global outreach and is an effective tool to help raise global awareness of the threats faced by migratory birds, their ecological importance, and the need for international cooperation to conserve them. This year's theme of World Migratory Bird Day is Birds Connect Our World and was chosen to highlight the importance of conserving and restoring the ecological connectivity and integrity of ecosystems that support the natural cycles that are essential for the survival and well-being of migratory birds. Migratory birds have the perfect morphology and physiology to fly fast and across long distances. How birds can undertake the journeys of thousands of miles, often returning to the exact same breeding and wintering grounds year after year, is the real miracle of migration. It is truly amazing how migratory birds can navigate with pinpoint accuracy. Even though the flyways is not fully understood, experts say they are able to orient by the sun during the day, by the stars at night, and by the geomagnetic field at any time. Some species can even detect polarized light. So, avian migration is a natural miracle. Which are the different types of migration and what are the causes of real migration? Let us listen to Suraj of Plus 2 Biology, our Biodiversity Club member.
Migration is the seasonal journey undertaken by many species of birds. During this journey, birds cover distance of kilometers. Birds mainly migrate during spring and autumn season. Indian subcontinent plays host to a number of migratory birds in summer as well as winter.
Types of migrations. Altitudinal migration, example violet-green swallows. Latitudinal migration, example seashore. Longitudinal migration, example starling. Total migration, example Arctic tern. Partial migration, example blue jays. Diurnal migration, example vultures. Nocturnal migration, example flycatcher. Daily migration, example mynas. Seasonal migration, example snow bunting. Irregular migration, example heron. The causes of migration: scarcity of food, shortening of daylight, increase of cold, finding of shelter. Migration in birds depends upon two important factors: stimulus and guidance. Scarcity of food and fall of daylight are believed to produce endocrinal changes which initiate bird migration.
Kerala is becoming hotspot for migratory birds. Now, Adira of Plus 2 Biology will show you the beautiful birds that visit our country as well as our state.
It is estimated that over 100 species of migratory birds fly to India. The 10 most beautiful migratory birds that visit India are as follows:
Siberian crane, Amur falcon, greater flamingo, Demoiselle crane, blue throat, black-winged stilt, blue-tailed bee-eater, bar-headed goose, rosy starling, great white pelican.
With the start of the dewatering process for paddy cultivation, several migratory birds have arrived in the wetlands of our state Kerala. We can have a look on some of these migratory birds.
Eurasian spoonbill, wood sandpiper, painted stork, grey heron, spot-billed pelican.
It is truly amazing how migratory birds can navigate with pinpoint. Here is Indulekha of Plus 2 Biology to tell about it.
The term navigation is related to finding a specific location. Internal gate system. Since birds can sense magnetic fields, they could potentially determine the equivalent example based on angle of inclination, direction and intensity. First one, the fastest migratory bird, common snipe, is a very small bird. Second one, the longest migratory bird, tiny Arctic tern. Third one, the smallest migratory bird, name hummingbird.
Migratory birds serve key functions in the interconnected systems that keep nature healthy, including pollination and seed dispersal of crops for human and livestock consumption, pest regulation, and as an aesthetic source of pride for cultures across the globe. Flying long distances involves crossing many borders between countries with different environmental politics, legislation, and conservation measures. The Amur falcon, Falcon amurensis, is a member of falcon family. It breeds in southeastern Siberia and northern China before migrating in large flocks across India and over the Arabian Sea to winter in southern Africa. In 2012, mass trapping and capture of migrating Amur falcons in Nagaland was reported in the media, and a successful campaign was begun to prevent their killing. As part of this campaign, 3 birds were fitted with satellite transmitters that allowed them to be tracked during their migration. So it is evident that international cooperation among governments, NGOs and other stakeholders is required along the entire flyway of a species in order to share knowledge and to coordinate conservation efforts. Hope you all enjoyed the beauty of migratory birds and it was informative to you. Please share the video. Thank you all dears for watching.